In this video, we'll dive into how to use tags in TeamGate CRM and why this simple feature can make a huge difference in how you manage and organize your customer data. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up tags and use them to streamline your workflow. Stay tuned, because I'll also share an exclusive extended free trial link to TeamGate CRM, along with some solid alternatives you'll definitely want to consider. Let's get started with the basics. Tags in TeamGate CRM allow you to categorize your leads, contacts, and deals in a way that makes it easy to filter, sort, and search through them. Instead of manually scrolling through a huge list of contacts, tags give you a way to quickly segment and find exactly what you need. Next thing, how to set up tags. To create a new tag, head to the Contacts or Deal section. When you're looking at a contact or deal, you'll see the option to add tags. Simply type in the tag name and hit enter. It's that easy. You can use any kind of label that fits your workflow, whether it's high priority, follow-up needed, or even custom tags based on products or services you offer. The flexibility here is key. The fourth thing to keep in mind, tags can be used across all areas of TeamGate CRM, including deals, contacts, and tasks. This means you can apply tags to individual contacts or entire deals. For example, if you're working on a deal and need to track its progress, you can add tags like in progress, pending approval, or won. This helps you stay organized and keeps everyone on your team in sync. Now, let's talk about using tags in filters and reports. One of the biggest advantages of using tags in TeamGate CRM is that you can use them to create custom filters and reports. If you need to see only leads from a specific industry or track deals related to a particular campaign, filters make it super easy. Just select the tags you've created and pull up the information you need in seconds. The sixth thing, tags in TeamGate CRM can also be used in automation. With the help of automated workflows, you can trigger actions based on specific tags. For instance, if you tag a lead as interested, you can set up an automation that sends a follow-up email after a certain period. This saves time and ensures that no lead slips through the cracks. But here's where TeamGate CRM has its limitations. While tags are useful, they don't offer as much customization as some other CRM solutions. The filtering options are fairly straightforward, and if you need more advanced segmentation or complex automation workflows, you may find that TeamGate CRM falls short. Next, I'll mention a few alternatives that offer similar functionality, but with a bit more flexibility and features. CRM solutions like HubSpot and Zoho allow for more advanced filtering, custom fields, and complex automation workflows that you can't get with TeamGate CRM. While TeamGate CRM is simple and user-friendly, if you're looking for something more powerful, you might want to explore these options. Before we wrap up, let me tell you about the exclusive offer I mentioned earlier. I've partnered with TeamGate CRM to bring you an extended free trial of their software, but I also recommend checking out the alternatives I just mentioned, which also offer free trials. You can access the best deals and exclusive benefits only through the link in the description. So, whether you stick with TeamGate CRM or explore other options, make sure you're getting the most out of your CRM software. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for your exclusive trial and offers.